Hello doctor, let me show you how to share the case with us if you need help with your case. First of all, you have to go to the menu on the top left corner, and then you have to go to TeamUp. If it's the first time you share the case with us, you will have to enter the email ID, which is support@smilefy.com. And for the name, you can type support. So make sure you type this email address, support@smilefy.com, and the name, then select TeamUp. Once this is done, you can go to My Patients, and before you select TeamUp or you share the case with us, just send us a confirmation that you already did this first step, so we can accept your invitation. Once the invitation is accepted, so if I select, for example, TeamUp, if the invitation is not accepted, then the status is going to be red. It means that we haven't accepted yet. But if I accept it, so give me just one moment, so we can accept the invitation. Okay, so let's say if the invitation was accepted, and we usually send you confirmation via email, for example, you can then select TeamUp. So you basically went to My Patients list. Let me go back and show you one more time before. So we go to the menu, My Patients, then select the patient that you want, select TeamUp, and then select support. Now you can see that the status is green. Please accept the terms and conditions, and then select TeamUp. Once this is done, we will then review your case.